Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. First off, I want to tell you we're going to be closed the 19th and 20th for President's Day. So remember that and use our e-resources. Now, on to the teen department. They're going to be doing Valentine's for their DIY Monday on the 13th from 6 to 8. There won't be anything on the 20th because we're going to be closed. And then on Thursday the 16th is game night. Saturday the 18th, they're going to do tabletop games. That's from 12 to 4. And then again, Thursday the 23rd, they're going to do engineer challenges. Now that's from 6 to 8. Those all sound like really fun things for the teens to do. Then in the children's department, I have all kinds of stuff to show you. The family story time, which is at 6:30 on Monday the 13th, they're going to do these crafts. Isn't that cute? Happy Valentine's Day. And then they have all these bookmarks. Aren't they cute? They're going to be doing those. Now that's Monday night at 6:30 for family story time. Then on the 15th, the Homeschool Explorers are doing crafts and their theme is inventors. And this one here is the hot air balloon. That's on the 15th. And then on the 22nd, fireworks. Isn't this cute? They're going to talk about who invented fireworks. Then on Monday the 13th, the Catch 'em All at the library, they're going to make little Teddy Russa. Isn't he cute? He's adorable. And then on the 25th, the STEAM Explorers are going to make this. I just love that. Happy chicken. And we also have Tween Book Club, which is via Zoom on Sunday at 3:30, the 12th. And the book is Little Leaders, Bold Women in Black History by Visha Harrison. Then following along more on Black History Month, we have Tommy Terrific's Wacky Magic. And he's going to highlight the African-American scientist inventor, George Washington Carver. Now, if you haven't ever seen Tommy Terrific, you need to come. He's great for all ages. Then in the adult department, we still have the February Take It, Make It, and as long as the packets are available, come pick some up. And if they do run out of the packets, they do have instruction sheets that you can pick up. On Tuesday, the 14th at noon, we have Lunch and Learn. And Serena Evans with the Pea Ridge National Military Park will be here to tell us all about 1860s hygiene. That should be very interesting. I don't think I want to miss that one. And Hoopla has bonus borrows for the rest of this month. So get in there and check them out. On Saturday, February 25th at 3 o'clock, we're going to have a program called Beautiful Hair, Natural Hair Care. Hairstylist Mika Ford will share how to care for textured and curly hair. And there will be a time for question and answers at the end. We also have a program on Wednesday, February 15th at 5:30, and it's called Support Workshop for Persons with Disabilities. Now, this will be in Spanish, so if you know anyone who might want to attend, please pass it on. Now, here's Rosa with information about this upcoming Spanish event.
Acompáñenos a un taller completamente gratuito, va a ser en español. El taller se llama Apoyo para Personas con Discapacidades y va a ser presentado por Hilda Lara de Sources y ese taller va a tomar lugar aquí en la biblioteca. Va a ser el 15 de febrero a las 5:30. Espero verlos ahí.
Now I have a little presidential trivia. Back in 1841 and in 1881, we had 3 presidents in 1 year. Now, in 1841, it started out with Martin Van Buren, and he lost his bid for president, so he was only president for a short time that year. Then William Henry Harrison took over, but he only served a month and then he died from pneumonia. So John Taylor became president. So that's 3 presidents in 1 year in 1941. Then in 1841, 1841. Then in 1881, Rutherford B. Hayes served his first and only term. And then he turned over the reins of presidents to his close friend, James A. Garfield, in March. So Garfield's number 2. But on July 2nd, he was shot and died on September 19th. And the next day, Vice President Chester Arthur was sworn in as president. So that was 3 presidents. So just wanted to pass on that little presidential trivia since we're going to be closed for President's Day, the 19th and 20th. So don't forget, so check out our e-resources. So for now, that's it. Hope you have another couple of wonderful weeks. Bye.